Being a successful parent and a successful business person can be challenging, but it is not impossible. In fact, many successful individuals have found a way to excel in both areas of their lives. In this video, we will share 5 proven strategies for achieving success in both business and parenting. Strategy number 1: set clear goals. One of the most important strategies for achieving success in both business and parenting is setting clear goals. Define what success means to you in both areas and create specific goals that align with your vision. This will help you stay focused and motivated, and enable you to measure your progress along the way. Strategy number 2: build a support system. Building a strong support system is crucial in both business and parenting. Surround yourself with people who believe in you, and who are willing to offer you encouragement and guidance along the way. This can include mentors, coaches, friends, family members, and colleagues. Having a support system in place can help you stay motivated, overcome challenges, and celebrate your successes. Strategy number 3: manage your time effectively. Managing your time effectively is essential when it comes to balancing both business and parenting. Create a schedule that allows you to prioritize your tasks and allocate your time efficiently. This may involve delegating responsibilities, setting boundaries, and learning to say no when necessary. By managing your time effectively, you can reduce stress, increase productivity, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Strategy number 4: maintain open and consistent communication. Communication is key in both business and parenting. Be open and consistent in your communication with your colleagues, employees, spouse, and children. Clarify expectations, address problems in a timely manner, and try to understand the needs of others. This can lead to happier and more productive relationships both at work and at home. Strategy number 5: take time for yourself. Finally, it is essential to take time for yourself in order to be successful in both business and parenting. Make sure to schedule time for relaxation, self-care, and pursuing hobbies and interests outside of work and parenting. This can help you recharge, take care of yourself, and refresh your mind and body. Activities such as exercise, reading, meditation, and spending time in nature can be great ways to recharge and rejuvenate. Achieving success in both business and parenting may seem challenging, but it is possible. By setting clear goals, building a support system, managing your time effectively, maintaining open communication, and taking time for yourself, you can find success in both areas of your life. We hope these strategies have been helpful, and encourage you to implement them in your own life. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thank you.